copyright laws, so this is me singing Wonder Woman! Hey team, get ready with me for Book Week 2023. I'm a high school teacher and this is what I went to work in. I use Kat Von D's Lock-It foundation in shades Light 44 Cool and Light 41 Neutral. I swear by these for high coverage stage makeup. I did 2 pumps of Light 44 and mixed it with 1 pump of the Light 41 Neutral, and then I blended that all over my face with this beauty blender. Next step was Anastasia's palette Sultry. I used the color Showstopper Gold, and whilst my foundation was still wet, I patted on all of that gold on my head. I kind of just winged it and hoped that was a good line, and then I also applied the gold eyeshadow to my eyelids as well instead of needing to use eyeshadow primer. Then the amazing RCMA no color powder to set the rest of my foundation. I was inspired by Nikki Tutorial's Wonder Woman comic makeup, and I watched her tutorial on the morning at 5 a.m. and I didn't realize she used a red sticker for the star, so I just botched it with red lip liner. For blush, I use my go-to, which is NARS. It's the OG, and I just applied that on my cheeks. And for highlighter, I use this Random Revolution Batman highlighter that I've had for a while. I applied that on the tip of my nose and my cheekbones as well. Now for the stressful part, I used a black Stila eyeliner to outline the tiara. I would never use something so expensive, but it was at the end of its legs and I thought I'd get some use out of it. I apologize for not putting my camera in a better position, but this is not a good tutorial channel. I don't know what you're expecting from me because it's not going to be quality. And then I went in with a dip in eyebrow powder by Rimmel in black, and I, what's this called? Spoolied, I blended, I brushed it through. I brushed it through before outlining the arches of my eyebrows with that black Stila eyeliner to give it that comic book effect. I went back to the Anastasia palette Sultry. I don't even know what the color is called because it is so dirty, so forgive me. It is the darkest matte brown, and I used that eyeshadow underneath my eye before then doing a beautiful circular crease to give that kind of pin-up look, which I love and adore. And what is next? Oh yes, I was freaking out because I'm so behind. I went in with Kat Von D's tattoo liner in black, and I gave myself a pin-up eyeliner winged eyeliner. Jeez, I really am so behind on the terminology. I think I really slayed the eyeliner, which is great because then I ruined my face later in the video, but let's keep going. I use Benefit's Bang, oh my god, just poked myself in the eye. I used the Benefit Bang, I was going to say foundation, it's mascara, goddamn. And then finally we're on to lips, which is NYX Lipstick Lingerie in the color Kitten Heels. I got it all over my teeth. I used this lipstick because it is so matte and I needed something that would not be too creamy. Oh my gosh, stop stuttering. And now I was lining my lips with that Stila black eyeliner and having a terrible time doing this, but I got the job done and I went in fast and loose, just outlining my cheekbones and like stressed. Okay, then I did the black creases for the frown lines, which as a teacher are very appropriate. And this is where I was doing a good job at the nose before I did a weird line which made it look like I have a broken nose, but we had no time. We just had to keep going. I was so late for work. And then I just kept going with the black Stila eyeliner pen. Seriously, just watch Nikki Tutorials. If you're here, I appreciate you, but this is not going to be helpful. And I used a NYX white liquid liner and just did a highlighter on my nose and my lips. I then went in with some fake eyelashes. I can't remember the brand, but they are very full. Checking myself out, liking what I see. And I applied these fake lashes. What's next? Oh, just applying them. Am I going to re-edit this? Oh, no, got to do the other lash. Anyway, the kids at school loved the outfit, but they didn't know who I was. Oh yes, wig cap. I put my wig cap on. This is when I'm starting to really stress out because I'm late for work and the first class I have is year 7 PE, believe it or not. So Wonder Woman out there playing soccer. I applied a black wig that I used for Shigo cosplay back in the day, which looks amazing. And then I did a few final touches with the black Stila eyeliner on my neck. and brush that through, and she is done. She's done. Happy Book Week 2023. I was really happy with this look. The kids had no idea who I was. My favorite quote from a student was, "Miss, what teacher are you?" And that made it all worth it. I hope you found this tutorial fun, not necessarily helpful, and you have a lovely day. See you later.